Hi again. Yeah, wow. Another video in the same day, and like I still look just equally as grody and slimy and greasy. Anyways, so I'm going to put up a video of me fixing Maverick's wheelchair. His harness, which breaks pretty frequently. And his harness is about on its way out. It is squeaky, it doesn't properly adjust, and yeah. Lots on my mind when it comes to Maverick lately, and thinking about going through another winter with him. I don't know if I can do it, but let's not get into that. I just want to disclaim on this video, I'm wearing my sports bra. You can see my underwear. Like, if you're really religious, or if you are trying to be conscious of exposing your mind to things that you're not strong enough for, you don't have the self-discipline for, no, you know, not taking this sexually, then please stop watching this video right now. All right, I'm giving you a warning. It was in the midsummer, one a very hot day. It was earlier this year. So I wasn't really thinking about what I was wearing. I was wearing what I would wear around the house usually. So yeah, there's your disclaimer. If you don't want to make your life more difficult and you don't have the self-discipline to not over-sexualize women, then please stop watching. Yeah. And other than that, at the end of the video, you'll see that Maverick's harness broke again, and what I did wrong is that when you slide in the harness clip, I slid it in upside down so that when I hooked him to the wheelchair, it slid right, like, it popped right out. So all I had to do was flip it around and screw in those screws. So technically, to tell you, if you're actually watching this for informational purposes and wanting to know how to fix a wheelchair, a dog wheelchair, and the harness that comes with it, here's a good explanation as to what I did wrong in this video. Wow, that's a good intro. A good 3-minute explanation of, I'm wearing scandalous clothes, don't over-pervert it. 2, if you really want help with your harness, you may not kind of want to take my pointers. I don't make the best videos. Hope you guys are doing good. Okay, project on this fine June 11th. Anyways, yesterday Maverick broke his harness. That's right, he was chasing a chipmunk, and he just, you know, forgot he's on wheels and just tore his thing apart. So this came off of this. I cannot even assume it would be smart to reconnect this. Like, this is garbage. This has got to go. So thank the Lordy, I had bought a lot of spare parts, and the company gave me some extra spare parts. Thank you. What is your guys' company? Can barely see that. Walkin wheels? Yeah, Walkin wheels. It's on there. Believe me. See the dog? Okay. But anyways, and I have a spare harness from one that had broke in the past. I'm going to use the extra strap, cut that a perfect amount off, and sew it right back in place so we can put a new one of these on. Yeah, that's a plan. We're doing that. Okay. Only issue is I left my tripod at my mom's place. So, oh, where did I put the scissors? I need scissors. Gosh dang it. Scissors, where did I put you? Yes, here you are. Here you is. Okay, so we need a choppy chop of this guy. Maverick, don't knock the camera over. There's just people driving really slow. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna cut off this other tattered and torn and frayed part off. I don't need this anymore. Maverick, I would take you out right now, but you broke your wheelchair. Well, your harness. So we're doing repairs. I'm so sorry. You are now without a vehicle for the next 3 hours, okay? So that means, you know, feel free to pee on the carpet, because I know you're going to do it anyway. Okay, well, alright. Should I take off this part too? I don't know. Because when I sew this on, I don't want it to be way too thick for my needle to puncture. So I think I do have to cut off. Like, why are we, like, why? I don't know. I should be using my sewing scissors, but I'm using my kitchen scissors. Oh, Maverick. I told you not to hit it. You serious? What do you think I'm doing all of this for? You. Thank you. Oof. That's what I thought was gonna happen. Getting stuck like that. Yeah, okay. Alright. So I don't want to break my needle. I don't actually have the best needle. Ah, poopsie doozy. My string broke. Why my string breaking? It's not okay. I never said that was okay. Oh. Well, I don't have the best. It's fine. Where are my scissors? Where are the scissors? I can't find anything in this crazy mess. What did I do? Why am I a child? I don't know where to put my sewing scissors. I had different sewing scissors for this room. And they're probably buried under all of my paperwork. I need to go through all my paperwork, you guys, and I really don't want to. And also, I don't know if you guys recall, I wanted to make something, but instead I just used the old harness I had and took off the Velcro and layered it on these noodles. First I flipped them upside down though, because these cracks were in the front, so I just switched those around. And then I put these Velcro things on the front portion, so he will be a lot more comfortable, I'm hoping. And I didn't have to buy anything new, so look at that. Improvise. Staying alive. It is time. It is time, my Mav. It is time to get all the piss off of your behind. Yes. Stay, my friend. It will not be bad. It will be fine. It's just gonna be your behind. What happened here? Seriously? Did that just break right off? We fixed this! What the heckle, man? Well, obviously those screws didn't work. Oh, I see what I did. Anyways, it should stay for now, at least while we get you done. Not that bad. It's not that bad. Stay. I gotta. No, you stay, son. Oh, that's a lot of soapy. Oh, geez, that's a lot of soapy.
Hold on. Stay where you is. Freeze. You'll be fine. Only be a little chilly for a little bit, okay? Ready? It's gonna be refreshing. You is fine. You is fine. I know, we're almost done. We're almost done. You is fine. You're all right. How you feel? How you doing? Are you alright? I think you'll be okay. Don't you dare run over my plants, kid. Kid. Ah! I need to water those. Ooh. Okay, okay, I'm gonna get a towel. Oh, your thing broke again. Yeah, so, kids, I didn't do it right. Ugh.